Hey, what's up guys? Happy Friday. I wanted to have some fun with the video today. This is super random, but there was like somebody on Instagram messaging people with a link to their blog post about reviewing, I guess, my Redbubble course. And they almost for sure never took it because, well, I'll show you. We're going to read through their blog post and just kind of like chuckle and have some fun. Because I mean, honestly, I don't know what they're really getting at. Like, is it to just get people to read their blog post, or is it to not get people to trust my content? I'm not really sure. That said, I mean, it's kind of a fun post to read through. It should be a short video. And they actually did say this quote in the thumbnail behind me. It says, after Ryan Hogue's program, I was averaging 0 visitors and $0. So prepare for a good time. So let's get into it. All right, we're about to read through this blog post that I guess they were messaging people that follow me on Instagram. I don't know with what intent, but I just wanted to remind you guys, in the description, I've got the free print-on-demand giveaway. I've got a free print-on-demand mini course delivered via email, and I've got a great print-on-demand Facebook group. You can find links to all of them in the description. All right, LA Vegas Vibes is still on Tumblr, so Tumblr's got at least one user. I haven't seen Tumblr or heard about Tumblr in a long time. Used to be really popular, but yeah. Anyways, Ryan Hogue, Redbubble print-on-demand course review and results. So they want to share with you an experiment they did putting the Redbubble shop in the hands of YouTuber Ryan Hogue, they misspelled my name, and his tactics on how to make sale on rebate. Okay, so already off to a good start. They'll share with you exactly what you should do once you establish your niche if you're following trends or evergreens. Okay. 3 layers will allow you to have less competition on targeted traffic. I don't know what 3 layers is. It's not something I teach. When creating designs, go to Amazon.com, search for t-shirts, stickers, bedding, and wall art in your niche. To the left of the screen, click the 4-star customer reviews. From here, search designs on the front page. This will have the top selling designs. It's not a bad idea. It's not something I teach either, though. You can also use sites like Ahrefs, Ubersuggest, StemRush, Monitor Backlinks, Mangles, MozPro, etc. Not something I suggest either in my courses. Create designs similar to all the ones on the front page, changing something to make it unique so you're not directly copying. Create designs quickly and easily, making text-based tees. I can agree with that. You can even add ornamental designs like flowers or patterns to make a little flair. A secret to getting your Redbubble title is on Amazon as well. Simply copy and paste it from Amazon design to Redbubble. It's like a broken sentence there, but it says copy paste it from Amazon design to Redbubble, which is not something I recommend doing or teach anywhere. Your description should describe how the product feels or how it can be used. Okay. Redbubble description, I don't think really gets indexed, so I don't even really recommend spending much time on that, but sure. Don't fill your description with text describing the material, but do take advantage of this place to any links you may have. It could be a link to your Linktree, YouTube, Instagram. Do you know if those are even clickable if you include a Redbubble description hyperlink in there? I've never tried, but okay. This is how you can drive traffic to your site. You may not want to hear this, but tags are only half the battle. Because of tag spamming and people doing tag research like everyone else, it's very easy to get lost in a wave of designs that flood in every time people notice a trend starts. Use your shop as a tag and create long tail keyword tags. These will have less competition. Hey, that's good advice there. So right here, definitely good advice. Take advantage of the sites that Redbubble partners with and post your content to these sites as well, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, Dribbble, Behance, DeviantArt, Pinterest, Flickr, Google, personal website. It's not bad advice, but I don't recommend I don't think your Redbubble shop's success or failure hinges on whether or not you took the time to share your Redbubble product links on Facebook or Twitter, right? We already know that like all of those websites have a vested interest in keeping people on their website engaging with their content. That's why content that drives engagement does so well and gets pushed out organically, and content that's cheap and lazy, attempting to take people off of those websites to places like Redbubble, doesn't do so well, right? It's easy to understand, hopefully. Anyways, you'll want to use smart mockups to create unique designs that will allow you to stand out if your design is ranking with another similar niche. You can choose different mockups like office decor, clothing, and more. I mean, I guess Redbubble does have a lot of mockups if that's what you're implying. Although, by the way, I don't know what this has to do with the sneakers, but anyways, the best way to rank is to write articles about your own work and post them on any platforms, like top 10 summer teas for nurse moms. Yeah, I mean, again, not bad advice, just time is money. Is that how you think you're going to get the most money for your time is by writing, text-based articles that then you have to wait for Google to even index, let alone to actually rank and get in front of people on page 1 near the top. I don't teach that, and I don't agree with it. You could also go to new.google.com and search articles related to your niche. It's not bad advice. This can give you ideas for emerging topics and trends. You can save topics that you are alerted when new articles come out. You can also use Google Alerts. That's free. You can just type in whatever, like new t-shirt, and get alerts delivered to your inbox, and you can set the frequency as well. So if you want your shop to have likes and look credible, when people click on it, simply create 3 to 4 additional Redbubble accounts just to like the designs you post on your shop. Again, not something I teach, not something I recommend. This person clearly didn't take my course. I mean, that was kind of obvious from the beginning when they said, well, we haven't gotten to that quote yet, but where they say that, just wait for it. I won't ruin it. But yeah, they're saying to create 3 to 4 additional shops just to like your own products. Okay? If that's how you think your time is best spent. Guerrilla marketing can be a risky tactic. You'll want to check your local and state laws before participating. So, what? The easiest way to market for free, nearly free, is to use QR code generators that link to your site. Yeah, but where are you going to put the QR codes? You can also target areas related to your niche to advertise. If you create products related to home goods and decor, you could frequent your local Ross, Marshalls, Walmart, and slip your QR code in packages. I mean, again, time is money. That is definitely going to like the extreme, I would say, to like physically go to these stores and like put little QR codes. Yeah, that would probably just confuse people. But anyways, I guess I respect the hustle. Now imagine being stung by a bee. Unless you have an allergy, chances are you'll be uncomfortable at the injection site, but you'll be okay. Imagine being stung by a bee, by 1 bee a month. It's very unfortunate, but you'd be okay. Imagine being stung by 300 bees though. That's the same concept you want to apply to marketing. That makes no sense to me, just being honest. For tees and apparel, you can slip your QR code into clothes. Okay, they're still talking about that. Ask your friends to use their cell phone because they're still talking about QR codes. Okay, here we go. Back to the actual Ryan Hogue course review, which was the title of this post, but it had nothing to do with my course that they clearly didn't take. But here we go. Get ready to laugh. Now for the good stuff. Okay, guys, this is how you know this is a serious article. Wink, wink. I can't believe this is what I don't get is why was somebody manually messaging this to people though? That's what's weird. I don't get what are they trying to gain? They weren't selling anything. Anyways, here we go. Now for the good stuff. I deleted my entire shop in April and started over to try Ryan Hughes. I don't know who Ryan Hughes is. Maybe there's somebody else named Ryan Hughes, not Ryan Hogue, because they definitely didn't spell my name right. Course for print on demand. I had to delete all my designs so that none of the previous SEO linked to my site didn't alter the results. After sharing my before and after results using Ryan Hogue's course, I'd like to know what you think in the comments. Before using Ryan's methods, I was averaging 1,000 visitors a month and $105 a month profit. I also wanted to give it time to see if it eventually would work out. After Ryan Hogue's program, I was averaging 0 visitors and $0. So I guess, guys, the takeaway from this video is don't follow anything that I say. Definitely do the opposite of all of the things I recommend on this channel, and especially in my private course that they for sure took, because it's actually, you know what's hard? It's hard to get 0 visitors and $0. Like, it's easier to get anything other than a straight 0-0, but they managed to pull that off. And the only way to do that, guys, to replicate this person's inverse of success, is to follow my methods. So definitely, again, don't listen to me, do the opposite of everything I say, and you should be on track to just kill it on Redbubble. But if you follow my methods, you see the results, guys. Glowing review here, 0 visits, $0. Anyways, thanks for having some fun with me on this video. It's Friday, so I figured why not have some fun. Enjoy the long weekend. I'm going to be dropping videos like usual, but it's July 4th weekend, so, go celebrate, do all that good stuff, get outside, enjoy the sun, see some friends and family. I'll be doing the same. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with a new video.